Good morning everyone. Hope you had a good weekend. It's Monday morning. Let's do a video blog. We've got some interesting weather to talk about as we put a bow on October and get set to head into November. We have Halloween and trick-or-treat coming up tomorrow evening, and our annual winter forecast is just 2 days away. We're going to do that Wednesday evening on 21 News at 6 and 11 with a much longer, more detailed, geeky version, if you will, online Wednesday evening as well. So I just finalized the forecast last night. It is ready to go. I just have to make some graphics now, make some visuals to go along with the forecast. Again, we'll have that for you Wednesday evening. All right, no wintry weather concerns for today. Weather map is pretty interesting looking this morning, though. We have a big storm up over parts of the Northeast with wind-driven rains in parts of New England. Then we have a weaker disturbance out here across parts of the Midwest. And this is actually what's going to impact our weather as we get into the afternoon today. We've got some sunshine out there this morning, but clouds will increase. And see this little bit of rain out here? I think this is what we're going to see this afternoon. I think a little bit of rain, a couple of showers are going to push through after lunchtime into the afternoon and into the evening. You may have noticed the breeze out there this morning. It is pretty blustery. Right now at the airport, not reporting a gust. No, but region-wide we are seeing gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour, especially out to our east. Notice those isobars are really packed together south of that storm. Really windy to our east. Around here, the wind is kind of a nuisance today, but certainly nothing that warrants any sort of wind advisory or anything like that. So what we have today is a calm start and an afternoon that could feature a little bit of rain. You're going to see that on our high-res model here. I'll roll this forward a few hours. Here's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock this afternoon, about 2, 3, 4 o'clock. As the kids are getting off the bus, as you're heading home from work, it's not going to be much, but it's going to be a chilly, light rain for some of us. Temperatures are only going to be in the lower 40s, maybe 42, 43, 44, and they'll start to drop a little bit as the rain begins. So that's what I think the second half of the day will bring. Then the steady light rain will clear out, and there could be a sprinkle or something overnight, and I can't even totally rule out a renegade snow flurry overnight into tomorrow morning. For trick-or-treaters tomorrow evening, I think we're going to be dry. This is the weather map for Tuesday evening, right around 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, and no precipitation across the region. It's all off to our north and east. It is going to be chilly, though. I think by the end of trick-or-treat, we're going to be seeing temperatures dropping into the upper 30s to around 40. So the kids will have to bundle up, but it's not going to be one of those years where they need the umbrella. Our next chance for rain coming very late Wednesday, or probably more so Wednesday night. I suspect most of Wednesday is dry. And then Wednesday night and heading into the day Thursday, that's our next good chance for rain. And it's going to warm up with that next system coming through. Notice the temperature trend here as we go out through time. Let me move my head out of the way here. We're going to spike into the 60s, it looks like, on Thursday. And even though it'll cool off a little bit at the end of the week and the start of the weekend, it's still going to be warmer than average, well up into the 50s for Friday and Saturday. And notice another surge of warmth early next week before we kind of retreat back to somewhat typical early November weather next week. But we've got a good 4 or 5 day stretch here of pretty mild mid-autumn weather coming up after we shake the chill after Halloween. All right, I'll have a full update, of course, on the 7-day forecast and everything else you need to know this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. The hour-long midday will feeture Jess Briganti and her updated forecast, and hope you have a great rest of your Monday.